For years, music had a problem. If you wanted one song, you usually had to buy the whole album. One track you loved, 10 tracks you barely played. That was the bundle. Then the internet broke the bundle apart. Suddenly, you could buy one track, one song, one tiny piece, and for a while, that felt like freedom. But then the bundle came back, not as an album, it came back as a monthly payment. Spotify wrapped millions of songs into one price. Streaming did the same thing to television. Software did it with the cloud. The internet did not destroy the bundle, it just hid it in a subscription. And now, AI is about to break it again, because humans may not be the main customer anymore. You might listen to a song once, but your AI agent could scan it, compare it, clip it, translate it, and recommend it before you even push play. One human listen becomes 100 invisible machine uses. Subscriptions feel like an internet invention, but they're not. Long before streaming apps, people paid recurring bills for newspapers, magazines, milk delivery, some book clubs, and libraries. The idea was simple. Instead of buying every time, you bought the right to keep coming back. But the internet made that old idea explode. One distribution became almost invisible. Everything could become a monthly payment. Music, movies, software, storage, fitness, news, even sleep apps. Pay once a month and stop thinking about it. And that worked because the cloud changed what companies were selling. They were no longer selling a CD, a DVD, or a software box. They were selling access. But this pattern is older than streaming. New infrastructure keeps changing what gets bundled, what gets broken apart, and what gets bundled again. The internet just made the old cycle move faster. First, companies bundle things together, then technology breaks the bundle apart, then the market gets crowded, prices creep up, and companies bundle everything back together. Cable was the bundle. Netflix helped break it apart. Then streaming became 10 different apps, and now those apps are slowly turning back into cable, just with more passwords. The problem is that subscriptions were built for predictable usage. A song sits on a server, a movie waits in a library, a file sits in storage until you ask for it. Most of the old internet was passive, but AI is not passive. Every time you ask it to write, search, summarize, code, translate, or plan, it has to work. It burns compute, it uses energy, and creates a real cost every time it thinks. And this gets stranger with AI agents. If you say, "Drive me downtown," the agent may check maps, traffic, weather, parking, your calendar, your payment app, and the music you want on the way. To you, it was one request. To the system, it was a chain of tiny actions. The same thing happens with content. You might press play once, but an AI agent could scan the lyrics, check the tempo, translate a verse, verify the license, clip it, and recommend it somewhere else. Subscriptions were built for humans using the internet. AI turns one customer into hundreds of invisible machine actions. And this is not the first time infrastructure changed how we pay. Before modern utilities, heat was unbundled. You bought wood, coal, or gas by the amount you needed. Water had to be carried, stored, or delivered. You paid for what you used. But once cities built pipes, grids, and power plants, everyone connected to shared infrastructure. And then there was a problem. One house and one factory do not use the same amount. So the meter became the compromise. Access could be shared, but usage had to be measured. The cloud did something similar for the internet. It bundled music, movies, software, and storage into access. But AI is making digital usage uneven again. And when usage becomes uneven, the meter comes back. So the next model may not be one big subscription. It may be millions of tiny payments happening underneath. Historically, when technology increases reach, the price of each individual thing tends to fall. A song gets cheaper, a movie gets cheaper, an app gets cheaper, but the market can still get bigger because more people can access it. And this time, reach does not just mean more people. It means machines. Your AI agent might pay for the exact thing it needs in the moment. One song, clip, lyric, beat, license, or tiny piece of usage. the company can still make money because humans are no longer the only customer. The new customer is the agent. To a human, it may feel like the internet got cheaper, but underneath, millions of machine actions are being priced, counted, and paid for in the background. So maybe AI does not kill the subscription model overnight, and the rollout is already happening. Limits, credits, usage caps, and tiny costs hidden underneath the surface. AI may not break subscriptions in one dramatic moment. It may happen quietly, one invisible machine action at a time. But before AI could break the subscription model, companies had to train us to accept it. And that story is in this video right here.